are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and from last 2 weeks we have started with our revision work. Okay, so every day I am giving you some revision exercises, and in these revision exercises we are covering all the syllabus which we have done for our class 2. Is that clear? So children, I hope you all are you all are just watching the revision videos very carefully, and you are writing the revision part in your revision notebooks very nicely, and you are learning it also. Now once again I am reminding you, every day I remind you that this revision work, you all don't have to write this revision work, but those children अपने जो बच्चों ने अभी तक मेरी कोई भी क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी, दोज हु हैव नॉट अटेंडेड एनी ऑफ माय क्लास since first day, then you all have to watch these videos and you all have to write these revision exercises in your revision notebooks. Others, those who have completed all their work in the fair copies, then you only have to just take these exercises in your notebooks, and you can understand from these videos and you can learn from there. Okay, so it will be easy for you all. You all have to do these revision exercises, because these exercises will help you to understand the topic as well as to prepare for your final term examinations nicely. Okay, so I hope you all have completed your yesterday's work which I gave you in English language on the topic of verbs and adverbs. There were 2 exercises I gave you. Now today we are going to take the topic of conjunctions. Okay, so before starting with this exercise, first of all I will tell you about conjunctions, that what are conjunctions. Okay, so as you all know children, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words. Okay, they join words, group of words or sentences. कोई भी word जो किसी word को या group of words को या 2 sentences को जो word join करता है, those are known as conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions mainly known as the joining words. Okay, कोई भी वर्ड को या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए या 2 सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए जो वर्ड हम यूज करेंगे, दोज वर्ड्स आर नोन एज कंजंक्शंस. इज दैट क्लियर? लाइक साक्षी इज शॉर्ट बट स्मार्ट. साक्षी शॉर्ट तो है, लेकिन शॉर्ट होने के बाद भी वो बहुत स्मार्ट है. Okay, so we are joining 2 words, short and smart, by the word but. Okay, तो but के साथ में हम जब join कर रहे हैं 2 words को, तो but is our conjunction. Clear to you all? Now there are 3 main conjunctions. I explained it to you before also. Conjunctions कितने होते हैं? 3 types के. 3 conjunctions होते हैं. कौन कौन से? and, और, but. ये 3 मेन कंजंक्शंस हैं जिनसे हम अपने वर्ड्स या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक ऑफ कंजंक्शंस चिल्ड्रन. सो प्लीज लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर एक्सरसाइज, टुडेज एक्सरसाइज. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू लिसन टू दिस एक्सरसाइज वेरी केयरफुली. फर्स्ट पार्ट, A part, choose the correct conjunctions to fill in the blanks. Now here what you have to do, I will be giving you a sentence with a blank in between, and then there will be 2 options given in the bracket. 2 conjunctions will be given, so you have to read the sentence and you have to make out that which will be the correct conjunction for that particular sentence. Okay, so coming to the first one, Neena can sing dash dance. Neena sing भी करती है और dance भी करती है, तो यहाँ and आएगा या but? Very clearly it is known as, very clearly you can make out that Neena can sing and dance, because यहाँ पे आप but नहीं लगा सकते, because it is we are talking about a girl whose name is Neena, और वो दोनों काम कर सकती है, singing भी और dancing भी. Clear? Coming to the second sentence, please give me a cup of tea dash coffee, and the 2 options are or and. Now here if we are asking someone for something, then we will use the word please. Please give me a cup of tea or coffee. या तो हमें एक कप टी दे दो या एक कप कॉफी दे दो. ओके, दोनों में से कोई एक चीज. When there is a choice between 2 things, then you will use the conjunction or. Clear? Now coming to the third sentence, there is water on earth but not on moon. from these two conjunctions the correct conjunction will be but. Okay, there is water on earth but not on moon. earth पे पानी है but moon पे नहीं है. Clear? Now coming to the fourth sentence, Ravi can buy a book or a game. Now रवि कैन बाय अ बुक, या तो रवि बुक खरीद सकता है या गेम. ओके, तो दोनों में चॉइस है कि वो क्या चीज खरीदेगा. कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ सेंटेंस, जया हैज अ पेन एंड अ पेंसिल. जया हैज बोथ द थिंग्स, पेन एंड अ pencil. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this exercise. Once again I am repeating. Nina can sing and dance. Please give me a cup of tea or coffee. There is water on earth but not on moon. Ravi can buy a book or a game. Fifth one, last one is Jaya has a pen and a pencil. So I hope children you all have understood this exercise. Now we are going to do only one exercise for this topic. Is that clear? So you can just understand from this topic, from this exercise, and other exercises you just practice whenever you are free. Okay, don't think that in revision I am not giving other exercises, that means they will not come. They will also come in the exam, but make sure that you do all the exercises, 2 to 3 parts from all the exercises you do, but you concentrate on these exercises which I am giving you very clearly. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood what you have to do. आपको सारी एक्सरसाइजेज जो मैंने पहले कॉपी में कराई है, बुक में कराई है, आपको सारी चीज़ करनी है. प्रैक्टिस सब करना है लैंग्वेज में, बट जो रिविजन में मैं करा रही हूँ उनको बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो यू शुड नो एवरीथिंग. Clear to you all? So once again children, I want you all to complete your work by today itself, and I hope you will complete the work, and I hope that you all are following the instructions which your teachers are giving in each and every subject. So till my next video children, tomorrow I will be starting with another topic, so I hope you will complete this work by today itself. Okay, so till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.